Good morning, children. Welcome to the computer class. Let's start the chapter number 6, and the chapter name is Google Apps. So, children, in this chapter, we will be learning about different types of Google Apps, uses of Google Apps, and classify Google Apps. Okay, children. So let's start. Okay, children. So, do you know about Google Apps? Yes, you know that. You know what is Google? First question is Google. So, children, Google as the best search engine. Google as the best search engine and a mail service manager. Mail service manager, and Google also provides many more apps to help us to perform various tasks. Okay, for example, Google Translate. Okay, children, Google Translate. So Google Translate app, it will instantly translate text in 50 languages. Okay, so children, now we will be learning about Google Apps. Google Apps. So children, Google App is a web-based and a collaborative software. It's facilitate to the facilitates the providing of a Google application and a user interface management tools, including Google Drive, Google Hangout, Google Calendar, Google Docs, okay, Google Videos, Google Cloud Connects. Okay, children. So these are the examples of a Google apps. So there are dozen upon dozen of Google apps, and the product search, Gmail, Google Calendar must have among these. Okay, children. So now we will take a look at a 10 lesser known Google product you really need it. Okay, children. So Google Sky. First Google app is Google Sky. So Google Sky is a fantastic tool that lets us to explore outer spaces. Outer spaces means we can search and zoom your favorite stars, planets, moon, etc. Okay, so basically Google Sky is used for explore outer spaces. Okay, now next is Google Talk. Second app is Google Talk. So as the name suggests, Google Talk, it is an instant messaging and voice calling over the internet along with the voice chat. Gtalk also support a video chat. Okay, look at this symbol. This is a Gtalk app. Okay, next one is Google Translate. Third app is Google Translate. So it instantly translate text, web pages and files to about 50 languages. Okay, how many languages? 50 languages. Okay, children. So Google translate the text, web pages, file, okay, into 50 languages. Next one is Google Wallet. Okay, children, Google Wallet. So Google Wallet means it is a mobile payment system. Okay, mobile payment system developed by Google. Okay, it's allow the user to store the debit card, credit card details. Okay, and the new Google app is available on a Google Play Store or an Android phone and tablet and app store for iPhone or iOS device. Okay, children. So with the help of Google Wallet, Google Wallet allow to withdraw money from ATMs. Okay, on the 15th 2013, Google announced the integration of Google Wallet and Gmail. This is the important point. Google Wallet and Gmail allow the user to send money through Gmail attachment. Okay, in which year? 15th May 2013. Okay, children. Next is Google Photos. Next app is Google Photos. So Google Photos, this is a very helpful app to back up your photos safely. Okay, photos are organized and labeled automatically and can be shared and found easily in a quickly. Okay, so basically Google Photos app used for backup your photos. Okay, next one is Google Maps. Okay, Google app. So Google app, it is a navigation tool. Okay, Google navigation tool means it is a navigation mobile application developed by Google. Instead of searching for an address or a street name, the application can also search by name. Okay, and the application can also take phrases such as a place with the burgers, tea points, etc., and suggest nearby destination that match the phrase. Okay, and Google app mostly used in Ola, Uber, okay, Zomato. So these company mostly use this app, Google Maps. Okay, children. Next one is Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive. This is the most common app. Okay, so Google Drive is allow the user to store storage and synchronize services developed by Google. It's allow the user to store file in the cloud, synchronize file across divide and share files. So Google Drive encompasses Google Doc, Sheets, Slides, Office Suite, that program, okay, etc. Now the Google Earth. Next is Google Earth. So Google Earth, it is a computer program that it used for a 3D representation of Earth based on a satellite imagery. Okay, so the program map the Earth by the superimposition of an image obtained from the satellite imagery, early photography and GIS data onto a 3D globes. Okay, it's also allow the user to search for address for some countries to see cities and house at a various angles. So basically Google Earth is allow the user to show the picture in 3D manners. Okay. Next is YouTube. Okay, children, you know that YouTube, it is a very fantastic tool for sharing videos. Okay, so it is a video sharing websites. It acts as a distribution platform for original content creation. It is headquartered in San Bruno, California, United States. Okay, so with the help of YouTube, we can search anything. Okay, now Google Now. So Google Now, yes children, Google Now, it is an intelligent personal assistant that learn about you and your habits and throws up information that it thinks you might be interested in. Okay, suppose that your interest in such as a news, sports, weather, traffic informations. Okay, so basically it is an intelligent personal assistant. Okay, developed by Google. Okay, children? So I hope you understand what is the Google Apps and different types of Google Apps. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.